Our next presenter, Justine Quensell, her presentation is Tāne-au-kaha, be brave and learn it anyway. Te Reo Rotarota Maori Sign Language. We're going to hear a video presentation from her. Thank you.
Tēnā tātou katoa. Ko Hinewai tōku ingoa. This is my presentation of the Atlan's Toi tū te tangata. Tāne-au-kaha, be brave and learn it anyway.
Oh dear, I'm afraid it's frozen. Okay.
Māori Sign Language. So this 5-minute presentation is how a simple karakia and waiata can help you start your journey. I declare I am not a qualified Te Reo Rotarota kaiako, but I hope to inspire you by sharing this information. The inspiring thought for this initiative came about from the number of ākonga from our level 2 Reo Maori class who were presenting with hearing problems. The main cause was progressive hearing loss, and the average age of these students was 68. So it sparked an idea, an interest and a thought, and I thought, hey, wouldn't it be awesome if they could learn Te Reo Rotarota? Then, hey, wouldn't it be awesome if I learned Te Reo Rotarota? Hey, have I got any friends at Toi Ohomai want to join me in learning Te Reo Rotarota? And yes, indeed, the answer was yes. So I really had to dig deep into my own whakapapa, and I discovered that the mana of Tānemahuta was his ability to whakarongo to the said and the unsaid of the discussions with his older brothers and younger brothers around seeing a new light. They were tired of being squashed in darkness. So he had the ability to action what his brothers were talking about. So he had this amazing ability to communicate, and he demonstrated the desired outcome through action. So it's for all of us to be brave and learn a new language, a language that is an official language of New Zealand. So I went on a bit of a rangahau mission, and I found two lovely spirits, Daryl Alexander, who we learned the karakia off, and Nora Rose Kirikiri, who we learnt the waiata from. So our online workshops commenced with whakataka te hau, kia ino tātou. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga, kia mākina kina ki uta, kia mātaratara ki tai, e hi ake ana te atākura, he tio, he huka, he hauhu, tihe mauri ora. Cease the winds of the west, cease the winds of the south. Let the breeze blow over the land, let the breeze blow over the ocean. Let the red-tipped dawn come with a sharpened ear, a touch of frost, a promise of a glorious day. Let there be life. Once our karakia was complete, we commenced by learning the pepeha by 660. I will include in the last slide where you can find these two YouTubers. But here's how the pepeha from 660 went. Ko mana tōku maunga, ko aroha te moana, ko whānau tōku waka, ko au e tu atu nei. Mana is my mountain, and aroha I see. Whānau is my waka, and all of that is me. So in a nutshell, whānau, that was our journey. We just stuck to the basics, learned to waiata, learned to karakia. As learning advisors and associated professionals, we're required to be beacons of hope and be fearless. Our demanding roles require us to continuously learn, support, and now to treat all learners as individuals in order to encourage them to achieve their best results. Sometimes as Māori, that means we embrace our DNA and showcase the characteristics of our atua, like Tānemahuta, Tāne-au-kaha, and be brave and learn it anyway. We embrace all of who we are as learner support workers in an ever-evolving landscape of education in order to acknowledge the whole person. Toi tū te tangata. Nō reira, thank you very much for allowing me to share the journey. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Kia ora!
Oh my goodness, how am I supposed to follow that amazing presentation? She was fantastic. I'm going to email her and ask her if she would mind if we put that on our Padlet, because I think people will just absolutely love that. Great to hear 660 in the house.